decorative plate to fix the main unit. Fix it with screws. Plug in the power cord. The interface corresponds to the original CAR or GPS virtual button. Plug in the original cable. Align the card slot and install the main unit. The power cord is transferred out of the air conditioner. The AUX audio box is plugged into the audio output cable. The AUX audio box is plugged into the car. The original car trim is installed back. Install the air outlet back to the air conditioner and cover the cover. Steering wheel control line from under the cover. Plug in the steering wheel control cable. Microphone cable. Replace the air conditioner and cover. Once the remaining cover is secured, the installation is complete.